Hey guys, my name's Raquel, but you can call me Rocky. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Today's Easter, so happy Easter. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a Easter makeup tutorial. So first I'm going to prime my face using the Makeup Primer Spray by Skindinavia. Now I'm taking a damp beauty blender to press the primer into my skin. Next, I'm going to color correct using the NYX Professional Makeup Color Correcting Concealer. So first I'm taking this green color and putting it where I see redness on my face. Now I'm going to take this yellow and use it to brighten up my under eyes. Now for foundation, I am using the Lancome Teint Idol Ultra 24-Hour Makeup, and I will be applying that with a sponge. I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to outline using the dark brown shade, and then I'm going to fill in using the light brown. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer and use it to clean up the bottom of my eyebrows and to prime my eyelids. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to start by using this shade as a transition color. Next, I'm taking this brown color and putting it into my crease. Next, I'm taking this darker brown shade and using it to deepen up the outer corner and the crease.
That's good.
Now I'm going back in with that Maybelline Master Conceal and cutting my crease. Next, I'm taking this shimmery pink color and applying it to the outer half of my lid. Before applying the shadow to my lid, I'm just going to spray it with some setting spray. Now I'm going back in with the brown to redefine the crease. Now I'm going to apply this yellow shade to the outer corner of my lid. Again, using the brown shade to redefine the crease. I'm going to just apply some black eyeliner to my waterline. Now I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and I'm going to apply it to my lashes. Next, I'm taking the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline and highlighting under my eyes, my nose, chin, and forehead. Now I'm going to set those places I highlighted using the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Medium. Now I'm going to bronze my face a little using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Now I'm going to use this brown shade to contour my nose. Now going back to the eyes, I'm applying some of this brown shade to the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take this shimmery teal color and apply it to the rest of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply some white eyeliner to my lower waterline. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. To line my lips using this MAC lip liner in the shade Plum. Now filling my lips in with this pink lipstick by Sephora. Now going in with some gloss. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy. Going to set my face using the Makeup Finishing Spray by Scandinavia. Now I'm going to highlight using the shade Moonstone from the Glow Kit Sun Dipped palette by Anastasia. This is the final look. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!